Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, right now in front of you HP LaserJet Color 1025 printer. I just disassembled the printer, the top right cover, left cover and top cover. This one. The printer was showing error paper jam in printer path. So while I open this top cover, this is the paper path output. So I found that over here one sensor is not working well. Okay, if it's go down, it's not coming up automatically. Suppose it should come automatically. So when it's gone down, the sensor over here think that there is a paper jam, but there is no paper jam. The sensor over here is not working well, so it need to be get lubed. I will put some spray to fix this sensor. Okay, and then this printer will not show paper jam in paper path. Okay, so if your printer is showing paper path jam in paper path, you have to disassemble this. Try to check these sensors. There are sensors over here. The mechanism total work combined. Okay, all sensors are connected together, so you have to check these sensors correctly. This is one sensor here, one sensor over here, and here you can see like this. So we have to fix this side, and then this printer will not show again paper jam and paper path. This is the paper path. If you have any other question regarding 1025 color printer, you can ask down in the comments. To disassemble, very simple. Remove these two screws from behind, then with the help of flat screwdriver you can remove the side covers and then the top cover. For top cover there is one screw over here also, and then you can disassemble. Thank you for watching. All the best.